Alright guys, so in this video you and I we are going to be solving this problem on reverse bearing. So I'll urge you to watch to the end. Now in case you are watching me for the very first time, I am Tutor, the scientist, and I make maths and physics easy and accessible to everybody online with a touch of chemistry. So all I need to do is please like this video, share this video, and also drop your opinion in the comment section. Alright, solution. First of all, we need to understand the question clearly before we proceed. So now the question is, if side xy is equal to 50 meters, how far east of x is y? How far east of x is what? Is y. Now, first of all, we are going to be drawing the 2 points x and y. So we have something like this. We have here to be x, then we have here to be what? To be y. Now, they said what is 50 meters apart. So we're having something like this. We have here to be 50. Now, of course, looking at this will automatically form a right angle triangle. Look at this. You have this side, then you have this part. Yes, we have something like this. Now, this forms a right angle triangle. You can see that equal. Okay. So now, you have here to be 30. This whole part is 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. 90, 90, 90, 90. 360. So one quarter, right, is 90 degrees. So we have here to be 60. Obviously, this is the bigger part, and we have here to be 30. Now the question is, how far east of x is y? So now look at this closely. From our compass, we know we have 4 points. We have north, we have south, we have west, and we have east. So you know they are talking about this particular direction. So we can call here D, for example. We can use any variable. We can use A, we can use C, and all of that. But for this example, we'll be using D. So now moving on. Looking at this closely, we use cos theta. We use cos. We use our abbreviation SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, right? We have SO, which implies sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. We have CA, which implies cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then we have TOA, which implies tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now we have the opposite, the side opposite the angle. We have hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the triangle. Then we have this other side, which is known as what? The adjacent. So now we have the adjacent and we have the hypotenuse. What are we going to be using? We'll be using cos theta. So we have cos theta. In this case, theta is what? 30 degrees. We have cos 30 will be equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So now what do? We are looking for the value of D. So we cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have D with what? 50 what? Cos 30 degrees. 50 cos 30 degrees is 43.3. You can have 43.3 or you can have 40.30 meters. So this is the answer to this particular question. 40.30 meters is how far east of x is y. So please, if you enjoyed today's class and if you learned from it, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.